How you think? Tell us what you think.
It's really good. Pretty accurate.
I guess it was good until I interrupted you and guys.
Hard to get the hang of, but I do like the controls of it. But I mean, just give it a few tries out, and then it's easily getting the whole move thing down. It's honestly better than the sharpshooter. I've used that before, and that's. I didn't like it because I can't control my character with my right hand. This one's a lot easier with the left hand. Well, this one is a very good attachment to it. Ladies and gentlemen, fun too. Ladies and gentlemen, the conclusion is buy it. Buy it now. Yes, there you go. There you go.
Right here at EuroGameSource.com. Yep, there it is. There it is.
There's the.